family? It's your boy Kubo back at it again with another little video. Today we're gonna be installing the double H pipe on the Mach 1. Stay tuned for the whole video. Appreciate everyone following me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we out. Stay tuned. Woo! Alright guys, look at right here. Sheesh, the double H pipe with Corsa performance exhaust. Looking nice. Double H pipe setup. Can't go wrong with this, boys. Definitely excited to see what it's gonna look like under the car, and especially sound. 3-inch. Stay tuned. We out. Alright, and before I forget anything, I got my little helper. Hello? You ready for the car? Yeah? Alright, so that's the setup. I'm gonna be heading out. And she's driving. Alright guys, we're going to do a little startup before we do the exhaust setup, so you can hear it at its stock form. And then obviously once this stuff gets done, we're going to be turning it over to that way and see how it goes. Sheesh. Alright guys, we're here. Like I said, right before we actually get the H-pipe installed, I'm going to give you guys just a startup on the regular active Ford Performance exhaust, so you guys can hear it before, and then I'll do that after once the job's done. Alright, now we're going to be revving it for you guys. Sounds alright, right? Can't wait till we get this double H pipe installed and see how it goes. Alright guys, here we are. Check it out. The quiet before the storm. It's gonna go up now. Stay hydrated, boys. I see what you're saying. It like goes all the way out to here, huh?
Yeah. There's a bit of a problem
A
there.
little suitcase resonator. Out with the old. It's like 30-40 pounds right there. Weight reduction, boys.
That's gonna be a problem, man. Fuck, man. Really?
Coming out nice. Alright, look at it. Finished. Double H pipe. Look clean. Nice. Nice. Super nice. Alright, for the moment of truth, see how it sounds. Alright, moment of truth for the startup, guys. Let's hear it.
Oh, you know what? He had it.
Okay. Well, we can't do it without the key, right?
Nope.
Let's go. Dale recio si quiere. It's American muscle for you right there, boys. Mach 1. Thanks to my boy. Y'all make sure you come see him.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's the way I like it. Alright, hope you guys liked it. Alright guys, that'll conclude the video for today. I hope you guys liked the outcome of that double H-pipe by Corsa Performance. Thanks for hooking me up for my Mach 1. I honestly really like it. I love how deep and just the tone is so aggressive on the car now. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video. And again, I appreciate everything, and stay tuned for the other videos that are going to be coming with this vehicle. And more than anything, thanks again. We are out. Sheesh.
All